Ban abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy with no exceptions for rape or incest. News 6 investigator Mike DeForest joins us now live in the newsroom. Mike, despite today's court ruling, the legal battle is far from over.
That's right, Lisa. The state's new abortion law will now likely make its way all the way to the Florida Supreme Court. Interestingly, it was past rulings by the Florida Supreme Court that prompted a judge to rule this new law as unconstitutional.
Florida passed into its Constitution an explicit right of privacy that is not contained in the U.S. Constitution.
Leon County Circuit Court Judge John Cooper says a new law banning abortions after 15 weeks violates this clause in the Florida Constitution that addresses the right of privacy. It states every natural person has the right to be let alone and free from governmental intrusion into the person's private life. On multiple occasions, the Florida Supreme Court has held that privacy right applies to abortions.
The Florida Supreme Court has determined, in its words, quote, Florida's privacy provision is clearly implicated in a woman's decision of whether or not to continue her pregnancy.
Judge Cooper says he'll enter a written order early next week, a few days after the new abortion law takes effect, that will temporarily block the state from enforcing the new law. Attorneys representing the state argued that Florida has a duty to protect the health and safety of its people. The state claims abortions performed after 15 weeks put the mother's life in greater risk, but the judge did not buy that argument.
I do find the state has failed to prove by convincing or credible evidence that this law, HB 5, exhibits a compelling state interest to be protected.
Now, it's been decades since the Florida Supreme Court chimed in on whether that privacy clause applies to abortions. Since then, Ron DeSantis and other Republican governors have reshaped the court and made it more conservative. The big question tonight is whether the Florida Supreme Court would ever reverse its past decisions on this issue. Lisa.